Hey folks, James from Bommer here with another feature video, and today we'll be covering the Bomber settings rework. Now, we've made some changes under the hood, as well as some aesthetic changes to give you the user even more power in customizing the properties that go into your bill of materials. So, let's get started. The settings tab can still be found in the same place, Bomber dropdown, and settings, but now you're greeted with a brand new view. Don't worry, all your old powers are still here, but we've given you some new abilities. One of these is the ability to change the name of any property to whatever you desire. Before we had some limitations and caveats, but now if I want to change level to, let's say, James level, give it a more personal feel, I can do so. One of the other properties that we've changed is multiple choice. We made it even easier to add multiple choice values to these properties. So let's say I needed buy, make, and modify. I type modify and hit enter, and now that is one of the values I can select from a multiple choice. The last feature I'm going to be covering in this video is the ability to delete built-in properties. Before, due to the way that Bomber and Fusion 360 interacted, some of these properties could not be deleted. We've gotten rid of that, and now if I wanted to get rid of part name, which is a built-in type, I select it, hit remove property, and it's gone. Now, I can always undo this by creating a new property row, naming it part number, and making the type built in. Or I can cancel all the changes I just made by hitting the cancel button, going back to the drop down, hitting settings, and all my changes have been unmade. Now, as always, I'll include a useful guide in the description below with some tips and tricks and some of the other features that we've included in this update. But that's all I have for you now, folks. So as always, have an awesome day.